end of this video, you can learn how to add page color in Microsoft Word. Here we can see this is the default color of our page. Now, if you want to change the color of your page, simply go to Design tab. Now, here we can see the page color option. Click on it. Choose any color from here. You can see the whole color was changed. If you want to another color, simply choose from here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel for more new interesting videos.